So here's a little tip. When you're dealing with difficult carpet where dirt gets really stuck and ingrained in certain places, like around here, around there, certain carpets really just embed and hold dirt and pine needles and stuff like that. Unfortunately, German cars and Volkswagens are some of the worst. But here's some of the tools that I use. This is a standard massage gun. I got this one on Amazon. I think they're like 40 or 50 bucks. What this does is it will vibrate the floor, which brings up small particles of dirt and sand and stuff like that. And then you immediately vacuum it while you're doing it with this. Another tool that I have here that I'm going to use first is called a tornado gun. And you have to have an air compressor to use this, but it swirls the air around and gets out a lot of the dirt, out of a lot of the small crevices, and really stirs stuff up. And the third and final thing that I have here that I'm also going to use is a standard DeWalt drill with a special detail brush on the end of it, and that just helps to agitate the carpet and get things turned and get things unstuck from out of here. So this is what it looks like now before I've used any of those things, and then I'm going to show you guys how I get all these difficult spots and get the carpet looking a lot better.